Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing us how to purchase Cronos coin and any other coin on the Cronos network. Cronos is a network that you can add it on your MetaMask wallet. So it is a network that is addable or compatible when you want to interact with your MetaMask. So I've already added my here, but I want to show you how you can add yours as well. So on Google, you type, or you can go to their official website to get the MetaMask setting on Google, or better still, you can type on Google Cronos MetaMask setting. Then if it brings the links that will come out, ensure that the setting that you are adding is something like this as it is displayed on your screen. So please be mindful of what you use as your setting. So it will be something like this. You see the name of the coin Cronos, the URL, the RPC URL, the chain ID, the symbol, and all the rest. So it should be something like this, and this is what we'll be using. Just this data on this particular interface you are seeing. So having gotten this data, you go to your MetaMask, then you click on Add Network. So once this interface comes out, you fill this empty spot or slot with the information on the of the Cronos MetaMask setting. So there's a name of the network name is Cronos. So you just type Cronos or copy and paste it here as it is displayed on the as it is displayed here. So Cronos. So having carried out the setting, so we'll move directly to the bridge where we can bridge your token either on the Binance Merchant or Ethereum network to the Cronos network. So the bridge we are going to be using is called the evodefi. So it's a bridge or is a multi-chain DeFi exchange where you can bridge most of your coin from one network to the other to be able to interact with different networks. So now the network where you are currently holding the coin that you want to purchase Cronos with, or any other network as the case may be in case of next time, is the one you are supposed to first connect with MetaMask. So when we click here, from is the network where you are holding the coin. I'm not holding the coin currently on the Cronos network, so it's on the BSC, which is the Binance Merchant. So I'll have to switch to BSC. So I'll do the switching here. Let's wait for it to come out. The network, okay, is out. So I'll switch connect. So once that is done and it's taken out of the way, I will. Oh, it's coming up again. Let me just get this out of the way, please. It has already been connected. Okay, I think. Okay, it still came back. So from is where I'm holding the coin. Then to is where I'm sending the coin to. So I'm holding USDT on my BSC account, and I want to send it to my Cronos account so that I'll be able to purchase Cronos coin or any other crypto assets listed on the Cronos network. So token, select token. Which of the token am I holding that I want to send? I'm holding USDT, so I'm going to select USDT. I'll type it. Okay, it's already here. So it's USDT I'm holding about $69 of USDT, and I want to send all to the Cronos network. So I'll click on maximum. After clicking on maximum, I'll click on send, then confirm the transaction. I'm just going to confirm the transaction now. I'll click on confirm transaction. Then once it's confirmed, I'll view the deposit information. So this is the progress of the money I'm sending. So it's currently undergoing the sending procedure. So once it is done, you see a green confirmation note here that it has been sent completely to your Cronos network. Then we can go to a DeFi exchange whereby we interact, purchase the Cronos with your USDT, with your Cronos USDT, the DeFi exchange here. So let's wait for it to completely be sent so that we can interact to buy Cronos. And before, as we are waiting, I want to take you to the site whereby you can purchase any Cronos coin. So the site is MMF. It's a trading site and it's a DeFi exchange. So as you can see, there's a lot of coin. As I'll be showing you here, there's a lot of coin listed on this on this DeFi exchange already. So, and all these are Cronos network coin. They are compatible on the Cronos network, so you can purchase them. And this DeFi exchange, they already have a pool and a farm whereby you can stake your Cronos coin to earn passive income. And as you can see, the APY is high. So you are not just holding, but if you want to stake to earn passive income on a daily basis, you can also stake your Cronos coin and any other Cronos coin that are listed on this DeFi exchange. So let's go to the EVOS. Let's see. Okay, it's still reading. Let me see what came up. Let's wait for it a little. Sorry about this. Let me get this out of the way. Okay. It just came up. Okay, before we do that, let's see something. So as we can all see on your screen here, the sending has been completed. So our USDT is currently on our Cronos network. So I'm going to go to a DeFi exchange to interact or purchase Cronos using the USDT available that I have just sent there. So as I was saying before, we went to the confirmation page to see whether it has been sent successfully. So this is a DeFi exchange, is new on the Cronos network, and you can enter liquidity pool here, take your token, take your LP token, enter a single pool to earn passive income with your Cronos coin that you have purchased. So now let's purchase Cronos coin with the USDT we have just sent to our Cronos network. So now the first thing I have to do here is to connect this wallet. So I'll click on connect with MetaMask. So I'll wait for it to pop up. Let's see. Okay, let me connect this. Connect. The network is a little bit slow. Okay, switch network. Okay, it's connected here now. So the next thing you want to do, let me broaden this screen so that we can have a better view of it. Okay, it's okay like this. So the next thing I want to do is to go to exchange, since I want to purchase Cronos. So I'll go to exchange. So from is the coin I'm holding that I want to purchase Cronos with. So it's USDT I want to use. I'll click on the USDT. Then 2 is what I want to purchase. So 2 is the Cronos coin I want to purchase. So I'll click on the maximum I want to use all to purchase Cronos. So I'll click on swap. I'll click on confirm swap. So it will take me to my MetaMask to confirm or to confirm the transaction fee. So I'm just going to confirm here. Click on confirm. So once it's confirmed, then automatically I've purchased the Cronos coin. So let's wait for it to come up. As much or as long as the USDT is still showing, it has not been successful. So it must show you this transaction receipt swap 67.5 USDT for 161 Cronos. So it has been done successfully, and our balance here, I used all of the USDT. That is why it's showing the balance is 0. So it's all that I used, and as you can see, my Cronos has increased since I purchased more of it. So let me walk us through this DeFi exchange a little. They have pools, where you can stake a single coin. Let's say maybe your manual at the MMF coin. They have a native currency. The DeFi exchange has a native currency, and there are other Cronos network coin that are available here, and they have someone have insane APY that you can interact with. So, and also you can also choose to farm, which is you are taking your LP token. So instead of leaving your Chronos to be lying on your account, you can just buy a little of MMF, pair it with your Chronos, and add liquidity and stake the LP token. So let's say, for example, now they do it in such a way that is simple these days. If you have 100, let me, let's say you have 100 dollar worth of your LP, which you, in a day you can be earning as much as, let me show you guys, you can be earning 0.100. Okay, so in 7 days you earn $5, and it is good this way. And the higher you stake, let's say if it is 1,000 in 7 days, $1,000 worth of Chronos and MMF you staked, then you will be earning $56 per 7 days. So you can take advantage of the farm as well. There are other DeFi exchange available on the Cronos network. So guys, this is how you purchase your Cronos using Evo and DeFi, and also coming to buy. Evo's DeFi is the bridging, then you do the main purchase on this MMF DeFi exchange. So thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, and I will be I'll be publishing as much as possible videos like this that will help viewers, that will help everybody that come across my YouTube channel to be able to be financial, to be able to come to that stage or that point in his life where he's financially free. Thank you very much. Do have a nice day. Bye for now.